Today we discuss what is hydrogen, properties of hydrogen and uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a unique element of periodical table due to its resemblance to the alkaline metals and halogens. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodical table and due to its uniqueness. That means hydrogen chemical element that exists as a gas at room temperature. When hydrogen gas burnt in air, it forms water. The hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish and was discovered by London, and it is discovered in the year of 1766. Hydrogen has the smallest atom of any other atoms. The hydrogen atom contains one proton and only one electron. The proton is the center of the hydrogen atom and electron travels around the nucleus. Here the pure hydrogen exists as hydrogen gas in which the pair of hydrogen atoms bond together to make some molecules. Here the hydrogen shows dual behavior as its resemblance of its properties with both alkaline metals as well as halogens. Here the hydrogen can be classified some of the properties because of its significant nature. Some of the properties of hydrogen. Here the hydrogen gas is colorless, odorless, tasteless in nature, and it is a combustible gas but not a supporter of combustion. It is lighter than air and insoluble in water. It has atomic mass of 1.08 AMU and ionization enthalpy of 1312 kJ per mole inverse. Molecular weight 2.01594, density of gas at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm 0.08987 kg per meter cube, density of solid 858 kg per meter cube, density of liquid 708 kg per meter cube, melting temperature minus 259 degrees, boiling temperature minus 253 degrees, critical temperature minus 240 degrees, critical density 31.2 kg per meter cube, critical pressure 12.8, heat of diffusion 58 kg per kg, heat of vaporization 447 kJ per kg, thermal conductivity 0.019 kg per degree Celsius, viscosity 0.00892 centipoise, heating capacity of a gas, liquid, solid that are 14.3, 8.1, 2.63 kg per kg degrees Celsius. Here the hydrogen atoms is the lightest element which is the most common isotope containing one or more proton and one electron. Here the hydrogen atoms are readily forms hydrogen molecules which are smaller in size when compared to the other molecules. Here the molecular forms because it is colorless, odorless, tasteless and which is 14 times lighter than air and it is diffuses faster than any other gases. And some of the chemical properties of hydrogen that are determining by the bond dissociation enthalpy. Hydrogen molecule forms HH bond and the single bond has the highest bond enthalpy between two atoms of an element. Hydrogen is insert at room temperature due to its high bond enthalpy because it is prepared at very high temperatures in an electric arc and other ultraviolet radiations. Some of the chemical properties of hydrogen that are diffusion. Hydrogen is highest diffusion element beyond C. Highest hydrogen more rapidly than methane because its density is very high when compared to other propane, gasoline, methane or other vapors. It is colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-toxic. And also hydrogen is a function of concentration level and much greater than methane and other fuels. Whenever the hydrogen burn with low visible flame, it mainly depending upon the ignition energy, temperature and pressure. Ignition energy is also one of the function of hydrogen. When its concentration of its flammability range, it can be ignited very small amount of energy because of its low ignition energy. And also hydrogen is returnable over a wide range of concentrations when confined. And also hydrogen has faster flame velocity. The hydrogen air flame is hotter than methane air flame and cooler than gasoline which is at 2200 degrees Celsius compared to the 1917 degrees Celsius. for methane and 23,107 degrees Celsius for gasoline, because the hydrogen says electron with the other elements and forms a covalent bond, because there are different properties of hydrogen, chemical, physical and chemical properties of the hydrogens. The reactivity of hydrogen. Here only one molecule of hydrogen dissociates into two atoms when an energy equal or greater than the dissociation energy supplied. The dissociation energy of molecular hydrogen, which is 104,000 calories per mole, which is grams in case of hydrogen. Sufficient amount of energy is obtained, for example, when the gas is brought into a contact with white hot tungsten filament, whenever the electrical discharge is established in gas. If the atomic hydrogen is generated in a system at low pressure, the atoms will have significant lifetime, that is 0.3 seconds at 0.5 millimeter of mercury. There are different reactions of hydrogen. That means whenever the hydrogen atom reacts with other elements, it forms some of the components like halides, water molecule and alkaline metals. Whenever the hydrogen reacts with halogen elements, which gives hydrogen halides. Here the example H2 plus X2 tends to 2HX. And also hydrogen reacts with the oxygen molecule to form water, that is 2H2 plus O2 tends to 2H2O. And also the hydrogen reacts with the metals to form hydrides. Here we are taking the alkaline metals, which are represented as M. H2 plus 2M tends to 2MH. Here the following uses of hydrogen are gathered from a number of sources as well as from the astral comments. I would be delighted to receive corrections as well the additional references used from this. Here the hydrogen isotopes, that are H3 is a radioactive, deuterium is produced in nuclear reactor and it is used in production of hydrogen bomb. Hydrogen is also used as a radioactive agents in making luminous paints as a tracer isotope. Hydrogen finds a variety of applications due to its dual nature, and some of the following uses of hydrogen are below. The hydrogen is used in the synthetics of ammonia and manufacture of nitrogenous fertilizers. Hydrogenations of unsaturated vegetable oils for manufacturing vanaspati fat, and it is used in manufacture of many organic components such as methanol. Hydrogen chlorides are very useful chemical and prepared from the hydrogen. Hydrogen can reduce many metal oxides to the metals by metallurgical process. Hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel in space research activities. Hydrogen fuel is being experimented with the automotive industry with the hydrogen fuel cells. And some of the applications and some of the uses of hydrogen, that are hydrogeneration, methanol production, rocket fuel, welding, production of hydrochloric acid, reduction of metallic ores, and filling balloons. That means hydrogen gas is much lighter than air, however it ignites easily. And liquid H2 is important psychogenous and the study of superconductivity, because why we are using mainly hydrogen means hydrogen is a highly reactive gas and it is widely used in many industrial applications to produce different materials. In electronics, hydrogen is used as a carrier gas for diverse applications such as manufacture of electronical components. What can hydrogen gas do means it is the lightest element, can be used for lifting agents in balloons since hydrogen gas is highly flammable, and it is dangerous to use, but this property and makes hydrogen is suitable as a fuel. The most common use of hydrogen in chemical process and reactions. Here some of the main 5 uses of hydrogens were called as commercial fluctuations of nitrogen from the air in the herbal ammonia process, hydrogenations, and fuels in rocket, and some of that. Thank you. Hello